Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Muzamil bin Muhammad Bakir. My metric number is 2025137933. I'm from KBA 2424C. So today I want to explain about my technical indicator for my 5 best company for subject FIN562 for our individual assignment. First, I will explain the Bollinger Band analysis for Petronas Berhad or PETS. Bollinger Band help identify potential buy and sell opportunities by measuring price volatility. In this analysis, a buy signal was generated on 10 June 2026 at RM 70.22 when the price share touched the lower Bollinger Band, indicating the stock was trading near the lower end of its normal range and had the potential to rebound. The price then moved upward steadily and reached RM 70.54 on 26 June 2026 near the upper Bollinger Band, generate a sell signal. This trade produced a return of 1.87%, showing that PETS experienced a short-term recovery during this period. The second indicator is the Relative Strength Index or RSI, which measures the strength of price momentum. For PETS, the RSI increased from 40 to 50C throughout the trading period, and RSI around 40 suggested selling pressure was weakening, while the rise to 50C indicates that buying interest become stronger. Although the RSI did not enter the overbought zone over 70, the steady increase confirmed improving market sentiment and support the bullish signal identified by the Bollinger Band. The final indicator for PETS is the stochastic oscillator. This indicator compares the closing price with the recent trading range to detect changes in momentum. During the trading period, the stochastic oscillator moved upward consistently, showing that buyers were becoming more active. The indicator confirmed the buy signal near RM 70.22 ringgit and the signal sell near RM 70.54 ringgit. Since the Bollinger Band, RSI and stochastic oscillator all pointed in the same direction, we can conclude that PETS show a moderately bullish trend during this period. Next, I will discuss time.com Berhad technical indicators. Using the Bollinger Band, a buy signal was generated at RM 6.01 ringgit when the share price touched the lower band, suggesting that the stock was temporarily undervalued. As buying interest increased, the price gradually recovered and reached RM 6.18 ringgit at the upper Bollinger Band. Generate a sell signal. This trade produced a return of 2.83%. Compared with PETS, the gain was slightly higher, but the overall price movement remained relatively limited. Next indicator is the rate of change or ROC, which measures the speed of price movement. For time.com, the ROC improved from negative 2.60 to positive 2.40. This change showing the selling pressure gradually decreased and buyers started to regain control of the market. However, because of the ROC value remained relatively small, it suggests that the upward momentum was still weak and that the recovery was not yet very strong. The RSI also support this analysis. The RSI increased from 42 to 58 during the trading period, indicate that buying momentum improved and investor confidence become stronger. However, the RSI remained below the overbought level of 70, meaning the stock cannot buy. Since the price was approaching a resistance area, the short-term outlook remained cautious despite the temporary recovery. Now, let's move to FIN562 Berhad. According to the Bollinger Band, a buy signal occurred at RM 2.15 ringgit when the price touched the lower band, indicating a potential undervalue condition. Strong buying interest then pushed the share price higher until it reached RM 2.45 ringgit near the upper Bollinger Band, generating a sell signal. This trade produced a return of 13.95%, which was the highest return among all 5 companies in the study. The result suggests that FIN562 experienced the strongest short-term bullish movement during the analysis period. The next indicator is the relative strength index or RSI. For FIN562, the RSI increased from 40 to 63 during the trading period. This showed that selling pressure weakened significantly while buying momentum continued to strengthen. Although the RSI remained below the overbought level of 70, it came close, indicating stronger investor demand or growing confidence. This support the bullish trend identified by the Bollinger Band. The stochastic oscillator also confirmed the bullish movement. The indicator show consistent upward momentum, suggesting that buyers were becoming more active throughout the trading period. It confirmed both the price signal at RM2.15 and the CL signal at RM2.45. Since all the three technical indicators produce similar results, the analysis for FIN562 can be considered reliable and consistent. Next, we move to our fourth company, which is Gamuda Berhad. Using the Bollinger Band, a buy signal was generated at RM4.26 where the share price touched the lower band. The stock later recovered and reached RM4.43 near the upper band, generating a sell signal. This trade produced a return of 3.99%. Although the result was profitable, the overall price movement was weaker than FIN562, Petgas and YTL, indicating a more moderate recovery. The next indicator is RSI. RSI increased from 45 to 56, showing that selling pressure gradually eased while buying momentum improved. However, compared with the stronger performing stock, the RSI remained relatively slow. This suggests that investor confidence improved only moderately and the stock had not yet developed a strong bullish trend. The stochastic oscillator also showed improving upward momentum during the trading period. It confirmed both the buy and sell signal generated by the Bollinger Band, indicating that buyers become more active. However, because the overall momentum remained weak, this recovery was led temporarily rather than the start of sustained upward trend. Lastly, I will discuss YTL Corporation Berhad technical indicators. The Bollinger Band generated a buy signal at RM1.97 when the price reached the lower. The stock then rose steadily and generated a sell signal at RM2.16 near the upper band. This trade achieved a return of 9.65%, making it second highest return among the 5 companies. The strong movement from the lower to the upper band indicates increasing buying demand during the trading period. The RSI also support this bullish trend. It is increased from 40 to 59, indicate that buying momentum strengthened while selling pressure gradually decreased. Although the RSI remained below the overbought level of 70, the steady increase reflects improving investor confidence and confirm the upward price movement shown by the Bollinger Band. The final indicator is the rate of change or ROC. The ROC improved significantly from negative 4.00 to above positive 6.00, showing a strong increase in price momentum. This indicates that buying activity accelerates and investor interest become more stronger. The positive ROC also confirmed the sell signal after the price had risen. Overall, YTL showed one of the stronger bullish performers among the 5 companies, making it one of the best short-term trading opportunities in this analysis.